Welcome to Coventry, where a new adventure awaits you. Nestled in the heart of Deasy Road, Merlin Point stands tall, ready to be your home away from home. Step inside this modern heaven and discover a range of generous, well-designed studio apartments and en-suites tailored to suit your budget. Each room is well furnished with a comfortable bed, storage space, study station, and openable windows that allow the fresh Coventry air in. Make the most of the communal lounge, perfect for watching TV, hanging out with friends, or just taking a break from your studies. On sunny days, sit outside in the courtyard reading through your notes, or head back to your room and connect to high-speed Wi-Fi to get on with research. And if you're in the mood for entertainment, invite your friends to a spontaneous movie night in the exclusive cinema room. Be assured with the gated entry, round-the-clock security, and CCTV mean you won't need to give safety a second thought. Worry less if you sleep in for a bit, since you're only minutes away from Coventry University and a short bus ride from the University of Warwick. Pause for morning English breakfast at Cafe Italia and plan meals at one of this multicultural city's many restaurants like Thai Duzit or Las Iguanas. The extraordinary student life you've always dreamt of awaits at Merlin Point. Book your stay now at amberstudent.com.